472 to 482. Newer models emphasize intelligence. Multiple intelligences is the model of intelligence that extends beyond the aspect measured by traditional tests. Robert Sternberg believes there to be three different components to intelligence: analytical intelligence, or book smarts; practical intelligence, or street smarts; or creative intelligence. Sternberg developed the hierarchic abilities test to measure all three components of intelligence, but was not widely adopted. Howard Gardner suggests that there are more than three types of intelligence. He suggests that humans have eight. Each person differs in how gifted they are in linguistics, logical, mathematical, spatial, musical, bodily, naturalist, interpersonal, and intrapersonal. The independences are somewhat dependent on each other. A wide variety of developmental disorders results in intellectual disability. Many people who do poorly on IQ tests suffer from genetic disorders or brain damage. Intellectual disabilities are a diverse group of lifelong conditions that impair intellectual ability. Today, classification of mental disabilities focuses on a level of function. Many of the genetic causes of mental disability also affect other parts of the body. Fragile X syndrome is an intellectual disability due to the dysfunctional gene on the X chromosome, resulting in elongated faces and prominent ears, as well as extreme shyness. Down syndrome is a condition caused by a third copy of chromosome 21, resulting in a characteristic facial pattern, short stature, and mild to severe intellectual disability. Fetal alcohol syndrome, or FAS, is a condition in which children exposed to alcohol from their mother's drinking are born with distinct facial features and varying degrees of mental impairment. Autism is a spectrum of disorders characterized by impaired social interactions, problems communicating, and severely restricted behaviors and interests. Autism spectrum disorder, or ASD, is a disorder characterized by deficits in social communication and interaction, accompanied by restrictive, repetitive behaviors and interests, which can range from mild to severe. Few people are remarkably gifted at specific mental abilities. The extraordinary ability in a field such as verbal or visual memory or extreme musical or mathematical talent are called savant syndrome, which is a very rare condition in which a mentally disabled person also exhibits exceptional ability in some limited fields, such as memory, math, or music. And there's a few different examples. The flood effect is a substantial increase in average scores on IQ tests that has taken place since they were developed. Here below are a couple different reasons why this might happen. Does IQ decline with age? The data was deceiving. 20-year-olds grew up in more modern times than 60-year-olds. There does seem to be a decline in IQ scores after age 45. The verbal ability declines more slowly than performance portion of the test at this time. Heritability. A statistical estimate of the extent to which individual differences in genes in a population contribute to the individual differences in a trait. It can be estimated by comparing individuals who are related and determining whether people who are more closely related are also more alike in terms of trait. And as we've gone over before, the easiest way to do this is twin studies.